What is your opinion of Ruud versus York furnaces?
York is not a good choice if you live outside the Northeast, especially if you are in the heartland.
You mean flyover country?
It is not a good idea to get a furnace from a supplier who may not be able to support it.
That's especially true, and the warranty may depend on service with a registered contractor.
York does not make bad furnaces. They are average on reliability and efficiency.
I thought the Latitude brand was ultra efficient.
Talk about a literal mixed bag. The TG8S has an AFUE of 80%, while the TG9S is 95.5.
That's a big difference.
One of the attractions of the Latitude system is its 33-inch height, smaller than a lot of competitors.
But they are all horizontal or vertical with upflow.
They've got downflow models too, if you want to put a furnace in your attic. And putting a furnace in at an odd angle is possible with Goodman, but only if you do not mind impossible customer service and insane repair bills.
York is supposed to have a great climate control system.
That's Climatric. They say it is cybernetic, but it is not much more advanced than the Nest Learning thermostat, though it can be more costly to replace.
What do you think of Ruud furnaces?
Ruud has ultra-efficient furnaces that get up to 94% AFUE.
Trane's best furnaces get up to 97%.
Ruud's furnaces have several different communication systems to connect to a smart home system. But this means that the motherboards are several $100s to replace.
I'd hope I never have to replace it.
It goes out occasionally, though the thermostats and heat sensors go out regularly. So do the blowers, motors and other major components.
If the heat exchanger goes out, the whole house goes cold.
So will your budget if you've owned the thing very long. Ruud has a lifetime warranty on heat exchangers that is so limited it is almost non-existent, and so many conditions on its replacement you just want to get a different furnace.
York, here I come.